Hey Goldwingers.
It's time for another episode where we check out great Goldwings and the even greater people that ride them. So let's get ready. Welcome to Goldwing of the Week.
Do you want to be Wing of the Week?
Then subscribe and leave a comment below. Let's get to it. Hey Mike, what can you buy for just $5 these days?
$5? You can't even get a Subway footlong for $5.
What if I were to tell you you could buy this Goldwing for $5?
$5? There's got to be a catch.
Well, I guess it's not really a catch, or maybe it is. The Goldwing is $5, but the seller insists that you buy all of the accessories to the tune of, I believe, $84.95.
$84.95?
Well, yeah. So $84.95 for the accessories, then $5 for the Goldwing.
Sweet deal.
Right? The seller's asking $8,500. So let me take you guys through a list of all the amazing add-ons that we see on this bike here in the pictures. And he's also listed in his Facebook marketplace listing. That's where I found this, by the way.
Yeah, this is one of the most customized Goldwings I've seen in a while.
It's a 2009 GL1800, and I went ahead and went Star Wars style on you guys, right? I wanted to list out, everything so you guys could go back and check it out, but there's so much, y'all, I have to put it in the comments, right? So I'll make sure that you can read all about it in the comments. Mike, just look at all of these extras, right?
So Renee, is this going to be like a 7-part Star Wars trilogy on this Goldwing?
Okay, you know what? There are fog lights that stay on with high beams, all right? There's headlight covers. There's lots of aftermarket fun stuff on this. The guy's got a new windshield, right? Adjustable deflectors, the whole bit. But also, I found a bonus when I was deep diving him on Marketplace. I found that he had another listing for a trailer.
Yeah, that's awesome.
All right, and it's got cute artwork. I shouldn't say
it matches
cute.
the bike.
I'm such a chick, right?
Yeah.
But it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's yellow. It's a Goldwing. And I don't know. I think you could probably get a sweet deal on both of these items.
Yeah, definitely looks like, bike worth having.
Oh, for sure. So the seller's in the Reno area. I'll put the link to the Facebook listing in the comments. Let us know if you're interested in going to take a look or what you think of this Goldwing of the Week.